Hi, my name is Neil, and today I'm going to be talking about how to pick the right number of convolutional layers in your neural network. So I'll explain this more. I explained this more in another video, but you have some features, some convolutional features, and then it gets more and that kind of stuff. So I'm going to be showing you how to pick it properly so you can improve your accuracy. And I'm going to be showing you the beauty of it and why it is so useful, and it really improves your accuracy. It is really useful. So we're going to be going to my GitHub page where I have my deep learning uploaded and some other features. So I have my deep learning there. So let's go into it, and we're going to see my CNN. This is where the actual CNN. The other one, it's just kind of showing you the methods for CNN. So I go over this in another video, some of this in another video, but this is my first convolutional layer. This is the features in my first convolutional layer. So you see I have 8. I have this one, this one, this one, this one, and these other ones. So these are the really basic different kind of shapes that we're gonna be kind of guessing that the computer will kind of adapt to. So like these are the things we rely on to like kind of break up the image. So we're gonna try to help the computer with that for the layers. So now with my second convolutional layer, this one has 13 and it has some other added complex things. So as you can see, all of these 8 on the top are the exact same, but these 5 on the bottom are different. So this one's a circle, this one looks kind of like a greater and less than sign. These ones look like flipped 7s and stuff. So these are this is my second and last convolutional layer. So, and then after I kind of build it, so this is the model, and this is where I do this. This is the actual training and stuff, and I talk about that in a different video. So these are kind of the errors, and sometimes you can kind of see. So this one, it's kind of hard to guess. It looks like a 6 here, and that's what the computer thought, but it's actually a 5. So there's some really weird ones here. I'm not going to talk mainly on that today, but it mostly did bad on only the terrible, really odd ones. So let's skip down, and you'll see these are the output of the first convolutional layer, as it says there tag. So this is kind of weird. What it decided, it's gonna be black. That was the algorithm. It's just gonna be plain black for one of the 8. So these are the kind of different things in the 8. So it's kind of like a 6, and it's kind of breaking it up a little into like its basic features. You can see some lines there, some more dots, and it's kind of breaking it up. That one looks like an artistic 6 and like stuff like that. So now we're on the second convolutional layer with the 13 features. Now look, you can kind of see like this is like the fattened 6. It doesn't look good because we've done the average pool, which makes it look bigger. It's kind of like when you take some sort of video for like a huge screen, you kind of shrink it down. So that's what you're trying to do to make it easier to deal with. So you have all these different kind of things that you kind of see here. These are kind of curvy and a line, different kind of line and all sorts of that. And you have 13 of these, that make up the whole thing. So, now let's go back to the convolutional layers, and I'm going to show you just how I picked those layers, because you might be like, well, what should I do to optimize my accuracy? So, basically, what you would do is you find the objects, all of the objects, and kind of see what things would kind of make up each of those. So what are the really, really basic building blocks? Those would be the first ones. Now, depending on how advanced your neural network, what you actually want to do, then it would be more. So I got different pieces. Some need a straight line, this horizontal line, some slanted lines, some curves. Those kind of are the basic building blocks that you need. Now, on the second convolutional layer, we're starting to build it more and this is like, you can kind of see it. This is the step before. So all of these, basically the idea is you can multiply these and you can take any number. You can take these and make all of the numbers in the data set. So minus numbers, depending on what you want to recognize, you need different things. So that is how you kind of pick it. You have to piece it together, kind of find out what it is. Like, you need this. This is kind of a vital part of it that you need to understand it. So think about what you don't need and what you do need. So there's some algorithms that help you like take away the noise, which you don't need, and kind of simplify it. But that would be how you find the number of features so that the gradient descent can piece it together well. And you saw the beauty of it. It kind of pieced it out and it took out the different parts, and all of that would make up a 6. So, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'm Neil Kumar.